What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Sleep.
Okay, hey, what's up? I'm here with...
Hey, Belle O'Hara.
And I am Fynn.
Fynn, this is my favorite award-winning
Hey, otherwise known as the real life.
live. Here we are. Okay, so we're at X3. We're off the red carpet. This is the only interview off the red carpet at X3. The exclusive right
Yeah,
here.
baby.
Here we are. Okay, let me ask you. What would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Sleep.
Yeah, you would. All right, and then the reason I'm asking because I'm brought here with Super Creator today, and they do like AI chatting and whatnot, so you get extra time in your day.
That sounds amazing, to be honest.
I'm happy with that.
Oh yeah, happy with that. All right, so let me ask you: when you're DMing your fans in OF or in the spicy, what's like the cool things that they like to hear or interact with? What are they looking forward to?
They really like some of our like swinger stories, you know, like stuff we've been up to at the weekend and like naughty filth that I get up to and she gets up to away from each other. So it's good fun, man.
And on my solo page, they very much like me being the mummy dom and telling them what to do. And having them be my little...
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Oh, as it should. Okay, cool. Well, you know, if we were on Super Creators, they'd customize it to that, you know, that mommy doll. You like that? All right, well, I appreciate y'all so much. Where can people find you?
Instagram.com real_life_couple official.
Yeah. And then, yeah, Instagram, real_life_couple official. We had to change that because of the word.
Wait, have you ever...
Yes.
Oh,
And I've...
obviously. All right, awesome. Thank you so much. I'm Javi Mac. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Javi!